Aloha and welcome to the Joy of Crafting. And today we're going to do some jewelry making with our special guest Malia from our Mapuna Puna Ben Franklin store. So let's get started.
So the first thing I'm going to do is, it is important that the first thing I'm going to put on is a gemstone. So I'm going to string through my tiger's eye.
Okay.
And then I'm actually going to make my focal piece. So what that means is I'm going to get one of my gold spacers. And then I'm going to put this time I am doing the same as this first bracelet. I'm putting my red faceted glass bead on. And then of course, other side of that is my other spacer. And after that, I'm just going to put all the rest of my tiger's eye beads on. So I am down to my last 3 beads waiting for me here. So now I'm going to make my knot. So everyone's nice and snug. I'm going to cross it once. And I'm just going to tuck it through just that one time, just like you're tying a shoelace. Now all I'm going to do is cross it again. And this time I'm going to run it through twice. I'm going to go through once and then another time. Exactly. I'm going to use some GS Hypo Cement. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that glue and I'm going to pull my elastic back from my bead. And it's the bead that I started with, right? Next to my focal bead. And I'm going to put that needle tip in and I'm going to squeeze glue into that hole. I'm going to take my needle and I'm going to put it back through this bead that I put glue in and use it to help pull that knot into the bead. Just got it in, and you notice I'm not pulling on the needle to get my tension. I am pulling on the cord, and again, just really trying to get it through. And I've got it in on that end. And now, just to let the glue set, I am gonna just leave it. I'm just gonna let it dry. But for the sake of the show, if I let it sit for, just 5-10 minutes, I am going to come over and then I can clip.
Trim off the excess.
Yep, just trim off the excess, and this is when I would take off my needle finally.
Thank you for joining us today. And I'm an everyday crafter like a lot of people out there. So I really am happy to learn all those tips and tricks on beading from Malia. Don't forget, you can follow us on Instagram at The Joy of Crafting, or find us on Facebook at just Joy of Crafting, and also find us Joy of Crafting on YouTube, so you can learn more tips and tricks and enjoy a lot of crafting. So until the next time, happy crafting!
Stretching
stop.
it? Yeah.
These planes are...
I know, why do I always show up? Maybe it's this. I said that the last time. I said, I always show up when it's the playing time. And you guys said, no, it's like whenever. Ooh, donut. Okay.
Now I'm going to start to string the beads. And we'll start with, but then we have a plane anyway.
But then we have a plane anyway. Okay, they have it on their radar. It's Joy of Crafting.
It's time to interrupt them.